And so BrightWork Power Pack BI is already pre-built. So I'm working on the Power BI platform. It is a result of our mission to offer interactive dashboards, and then we'll be able to drill down into that information. It will be downloadable and connects to your BrightWork enterprise data. It's basically connecting to the project cache, the work cache, and the project status report cache. Now we want to start digging down into our project information. So his first request was to see the project timeline. So here I can see the project timeline. I can also come in and just see one particular project. So if I wanted to see my hardware global project, how we're doing on that, I can see that here. Of course, this has updated as well. I can see by project type in here as well. And also if I want to see my project manager. Also, same thing here that we had in our portfolio, where I can come down and just see projects started in 2019. I can see projects that have started within 2020. And also, too, that's nice with this is I can actually expand this. And let's go ahead and pick on this project here on the hardware project structured. And so here you're going to see all of my tasks, what date they're due on, what date they've started, what the percent complete again as well. And then also going forward, if I scroll down here to keep going, that it seems like my last task is going to be due on August 1st. So it can give him that information. Of course, we can go down to the quarter again. So if we just want to see a specific quarter where projects have started, we just have our one project that started within this quarter of Q1 of 2020.